Welcome back to the channel, Auto Legends Dynamics. Today, we have something exciting for all car enthusiasts of the 2025 Tata Punch. This compact SUV has taken the Indian market by storm, and the latest model comes with some fantastic upgrades. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed, and affordable SUV, stay with us till the end because we're breaking down everything you need to know about the new Tata Punch. Starting with the design, Tata has given the 2025 Punch a fresh new look. The front fascia is now more aggressive, featuring a bold grille, sleek LED DRLs, and a redesigned bumper that adds to its rugged appeal. The side profile retains its muscular stance, but with newly designed alloy wheels that enhance its sporty character. At the rear, the LED tail lamps now come with a connected light bar, giving it a premium feel. Tata has surely worked on making this micro SUV look more upmarket than ever before. Now, let's talk about the interior. The 2025 Tata Punch gets a significant upgrade in terms of cabin experience. A larger 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage, providing a seamless user experience. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, offering crisp graphics and essential driving data. The seats are well cushioned, and the use of premium materials makes the cabin feel more refined. Tata has also added ventilated front seats, a sunroof, and a 360-degree camera, features that were previously missing in this segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Punch retains its trusted 1.2 litres petrol engine, but now it also comes with Tata's new 1.2 litres turbo petrol option for those who want more power. Both engines are available with a 5-speed manual and an AMT gearbox. For the first time, Tata is also offering a CNG variant, making the Punch a great choice for those looking for better fuel efficiency. While there's still no diesel engine, Tata's F version of the Punch is expected to launch soon, offering an even more eco-friendly option. Safety has always been Tata's strong point, and the 2025 Punch continues this legacy. It boasts a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, 6 airbags, ESP, ABS with EBD, and advanced driver assistance features in higher variants. This makes it one of the safest choices in its segment. So, is the 2025 Tata Punch worth buying? With its refreshed design, premium features, better performance options, and solid safety, it's undoubtedly one of the best micro SUVs in the market. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Tata Punch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Legends Dynamics for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.